Philips. Philips HL1645, which conceptualizes more power, less noise by being tough on food and easy on the ears. Key features: 750-watt powerful motor with minimal sound. Stable and safe operation with auto shut-off for overload protection. Lift and grind blades that ensure consistent grinding. And reverse quadra flow jars that prevent ingredients from sticking to the walls. The HL1645 offers a 1.5-liter wet jar with transparent dome and handle for wet grinding and liquidizing. 1.25-liter multi-purpose jar with PP lid and handle for grinding dry and wet ingredients. 0.5-liter chutney jar with PP lid for grinding chutneys and pastes like black pepper powder. 1.5-liter blender jar with fruit filter for blending milkshakes and pureeing, extracting fruit juices, and also tamarind pulp and coconut milk for specific South Indian recipes. Innovation that matters to you. Philips.